Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're checking out this 21 volt cordless impact driver. Seller sent me this to check out, so let's see what we got. Alright, so here is your user manual. Here are the bits that come with this impact driver. Get two batteries in here. You have a charger here, and here is your drill right here. So I have this light right here. Hit that button right there. It gives you battery level information. You do have your charger right here. And there you go. So this product has 2,655 inch-pounds of torque. Handles everything from furniture assembly to long rusted screws. High and low speed forward modes to match power to a specific task. Again, this thing comes with two 4 amp hour batteries to provide extended work time. One charges while the other is in use. Has built-in safeguards against overcurrent, short circuits, and overheating. It has a reverse auto stop feature, a dedicated braking device that stops the tool once a screw is loosened to prevent it from falling or flying out, and also the hex chuck, 1/4 inch all metal quick release design, allows for one-handed bit changes without tools. It has a compact 3.62 pound frame designed for tight spaces and overhead work. Has comfort rubber wrap handle to reduce vibration, and hand fatigue. Has a trigger activated LED light that stays on while you're working to illuminate dark corners or cabinets. So in conclusion, this impact driver combines high torque brushless motor with a dual battery system to handle everything from delicate furniture assembly to heavy duty construction. Its specialized safety modes and ergonomic design make it a versatile, reliable choice for improving efficiency on any DIY project.